We woke up in the craziest place in the world. It said on our weather app that it was going to be raining from sunup till sundown, so we're pretty thankful right now that it's sunny. And we've also learned, don't trust the weather app when it comes to Moorea weather. Even anywhere else in the world, I know it can kind of be sketchy to trust the weather app, but here especially, they just don't know. The weather patterns are so erratic. And we're gonna go get some breakfast. Got our food. I think we got a little too much.
Some pancakes over there that I'm probably gonna devour. Chicken, sausage, hot dogs, stuff in the middle.
Mushroom?
Yep, mushrooms.
He doesn't like mushrooms.
Evidently cold cuts is part of the American breakfast, and so is a tossed green salad with pickled vegetables and a vinaigrette, and breakfast with a view. We have a couple more hours here at the Sofitel, and so we are gonna grab snorkeling gear so we can get in the water.
We made it back to our bungalow, and we're gonna take like a half hour to go snorkeling right outside of our bungalow. There's really cool reefs down there, and we just wanna see some fish. So let's do it.
That was awesome. We're approaching the time when we gotta get out of here, so we're just gonna pack up and get out.
Now before we go, I wanted to share with you how we are able to do this. This is our second overwater bungalow, and it has cost us $0 to stay in either one of these really awesome accommodation options. So I have included a guide on how to do this, and you can get your guide in the link in the description. All you have to do is enter your email address, and we'll deliver that guide directly to your inbox so that you can do this as well.
I have my mask available. I gotta put it on, huh?
Yep. You gotta follow the rules. It's so important. I really like to smile at people, but I can't when I have my mask on. So I think that's the biggest downfall of these masks.
We also have the breads.
No, that's bread.
Oh, this is the breads.
Oh my gosh, I don't even know what half of this is. But it looks awesome.
Stuff in the middle.
Mushroom?
Yep, mushrooms. I just ate some of those, and I almost lost it here at the table.
He doesn't like mushrooms. And he insisted that it was chicken. But then he tried it.
Yeah, it was not chicken. then I got mushroom on my shirt. It just makes me upset.
Which is great because it'll haunt him all day.
There's the dog Laura's been feeding, and that's why it's here.
Oh, he's so cute. How do we look? Oh, so we made it back to our bungalow and...
I don't want to go.
Oh, I don't want to go either.
Ah, jeez. What a wonderful place. I never want to forget this. I never want to let you go.